My dearest Alberta, I've been trying to say this for 10,000 years. Every glacier I laid across your shoulders was just me, not knowing how to begin. I built the Rockies the way the lovesick do, excessive, trembling, reaching for something higher than necessary. I could not stop. Each peak was a sentence I didn't know how to finish, so I just kept building until the clouds got in the way. I poured Lake Louise into its basin and stepped back, embarrassed. I hadn't meant to make something that beautiful, that color wasn't planned. That was what happened when I stopped thinking. I just felt. The prairies were my exhale after all that elevation, all that drama. I opened my hands and let the land go flat and gold and infinite, the way you feel after saying something true to someone you love for the very first time. I gave you the wolf not as a gift, as a confession. I wanted you to know that wildness is not something to be afraid of, but the things which howl in the dark are the things that feel the most deeply. I wanted you to recognize yourself in them.